What is going on, everybody? This is Random Topics with Yumi here today. And today we are going to be reviewing Steamfresh golden white corn, carrots, and asparagus. Yes, we already cooked it, but here's what the bag looks like right at the bottom right here, right there. Anyways, here's what it looked like once we microwaved this bad boy. Let's not forget that it was very convenient to cook this. You just throw it in the microwave for 4.5 minutes, and yes, we added some salt, pepper, and butter. And oh, what is this? This does not look good. It looks like a piece of chicken or something. Weird. Anyways, let's try it out. Not bad. This is for sure one of my favorites. It's for sure one of my favorites, guys. I mean, I love the asparagus and the white corn, yellow corn, carrots. Beautiful combination. It's cheap, easy, convenient, but it's not bad, guys. Not bad at all. I would rate these, rate this, not these. Rate this a, let me think. One more bite. I would rate this a 8.4 out of 10. And that's pretty much it. We hope everybody does have an amazing afternoon. And yes, till next time.